This video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Rockstar activation code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, if you have an activation code from Rockstar, then go open your Rockstar app, and from here, sign into your account. Once you are logged in, now head to your profile icon on top here, and you can see we have an option to redeem code. Just click on this, and now here you'll be required to enter your Rockstar activation code. You're told you'll need to be connected to internet for this to work, and you're told after redeeming the code, its content will be permanently attached to your account. And you have to note that your code will be a one-time code that you can use, and therefore you have to ensure that you are permanently linking it to the correct Rockstar Games account before proceeding. So grab your code, and here we are given the code format, so it should be in this format. So go to the Rockstar activation code here, enter your code, and once you are done, now you can click and check the validity of the code. So this one is not valid, but that's how you check it before you can redeem it. So that's how you can redeem Rockstar Games activation code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.